The Honda EU2200IC 2200-watt companion super quiet portable inverter generator is a standout option for those seeking reliable power in a compact and efficient design. This generator is tailored for outdoor enthusiasts, homeowners needing backup power, and professionals requiring electricity on job sites. Its combination of quiet operation, portability, and impressive performance makes it a solid contender in the inverter generator market. One of the most notable features of the Honda EU2200IC is its quiet operation. At a noise level of just 48 dB at quarter load, it is nearly silent compared to traditional generators, which can often reach levels above 70 dB. This makes it perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or events where noise restrictions are a concern. Users can enjoy a peaceful environment without disturbing the surroundings, making it ideal for camping in national parks or residential areas. The generator's sound is comparable to a normal conversation, allowing users to engage in activities without the disruptive hum of a generator. Portability is another strong suit of the EU2200IC. Weighing in at approximately 47 pounds, it features a compact design with a built-in handle that allows for easy transportation. Whether you're loading it into a vehicle for a weekend camping trip or moving it around the backyard for home use, the lightweight build and convenient handle make it manageable for one person. Its small size also means it can fit into tight spaces, making it an excellent choice for anyone with limited storage. Powering up appliances is where the Honda EU2200IC truly shines. With a peak output of 2,200 watts and a running output of 1,800 watts, this generator can easily handle a range of devices. From powering small appliances like a refrigerator or a microwave during a power outage to running multiple devices simultaneously for camping, it has the versatility to meet various power needs. The generator is also equipped with a 30A outlet for connecting to RVs, providing a reliable power source for recreational use. Additionally, the inverter technology ensures clean and stable power, making it safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. Fuel efficiency is a key aspect of the EU2200IC, thanks to its eco-throttle feature. This innovative system adjusts the engine speed based on the load, allowing the generator to consume less fuel when running light loads. Users can expect an impressive runtime of up to 8.1 hours on a single tank of gas at a quarter load, making it suitable for extended use without constant refueling. The 0.95-gallon fuel tank strikes a balance between capacity and weight, ensuring that users can enjoy long-lasting power without excessive bulk. Maintenance is straightforward with the Honda EU2200IC, a factor that adds to its appeal. The generator has easy-to-access oil fill and drainage, as well as a convenient air filter that can be replaced without tools. Regular maintenance tasks are manageable, meaning users can spend more time enjoying their activities rather than worrying about upkeep. The build quality of the EU2200IC reflects Honda's reputation for durability and reliability. The generator is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, featuring a rugged construction that can handle bumps, drops, and the elements. Moreover, the generator is backed by a 3-year warranty, giving users peace of mind about their investment. However, it's important to note that, while the generator is incredibly efficient and quiet, it does have its limitations. The 1800-watt running power may not suffice for high-demand equipment like large power tools or multiple high-wattage appliances running simultaneously. Users with such requirements might need to consider parallel operation, which allows 2 EU2200IC units to be connected for increased wattage. This adds to the versatility, but it does come at an additional cost. In conclusion, the Honda EU2200IC 2200-watt companion super quiet portable inverter generator is a top-tier choice for those looking for a quiet, portable, and efficient power source. Its blend of performance, fuel efficiency, and ease of use makes it a valuable asset for a range of applications.